Mamma mia! Welcome back to Gugu's Gaga Cooking Show and Happy New Year. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious and good pizza. Ingredients: tomato sauce, salt, olive oil, mozzarella deluxe cheese, some pepperoni, some dough, pizza dough, oil, and some onion. And only one onion, okay? One more thing, don't forget a pan to put in your amazing pizza. Step 1, get the dough out. There's a trick that to hold the top corner like here, and after you just shake it out, and after it will magically just come out. Just gotta push it. Get it in. And don't let the bag get stuck to it, because it's going to be harder. With that, you just want to do this. Just put it with your fingers like this, and look, it's out. So now, what you want to do is put all of them in the center. And after, you put some flour on the bottom. And after, you do the same thing. Put like that, all in the center. Put it here. Put it in. Gotta make it really like until it's not that sticky, or you could start rolling it into a rectangular shape, and that is optional. What is the secret to making a good pizza? Is it like this? Making a good pizza is to keep warm. No. Is it like this? Making a good pizza, you gotta dance with it in the sun. Yeah. Yeah. And it gotta be in the sun. No. The secret to the pizza is from your heart. Because your heart gives the good and tasty and softness for your dough to be good. Now, get some flour, and now you roll it into rectangular, because I'm making a rectangular pizza. Remember, hard work. And if it gets stick on it, you just use a bit of flour. After when you roll it a bit, what you want to do is put your fingers on top and just push lightly. Don't push that hard, and do it for the back and the front. And a bit, add some flour on the part where it's sticky. Now we go back to the rolling. And remember, when you're rolling, you want to hold here, so when you push, it's not going to make so small. And when here has less and this one has more, what you want to do is turn it around. So it'll be like this.
Flowers.
Okay, so now I got another secret for you. Hold up the pizza and you just hit it back and forth, hit it back and forth. That's how it's going to make it keep going. Now you put it back and adjust it. Now I shaped it and I used a roller and I used my fingers to push it out. Second step, the next step is to get your olive oil and put it on the pan. Okay, so I'll tell you why we need to use olive oil. Because we don't want the dough to get sticky and it's going to taste better. On the dough on the pan. Now I'm going to put the olive oil on so it tastes better. And don't put that butter. I'm going to put in some salt because it's going to make it more tastier. I'm going to use a spoon to get the tomato sauce on. And just pour it on the spoon so you won't make a big mess. And remember, if it's not enough, you can always get more. Put it on the side, because if you don't, there's not going to be enough taste for the crust. And now we're going to put on the toppings. First thing is cheese. Remember, just whip it up into pieces. Put it anywhere you want. Remember, you don't need to use all your cheese. It's optional if you want to put a lot of cheese or if you don't. Now, don't use the rest of your cheese, but now we're going to put on our sweet onions and pepperonis. Put on some pepperonis. And when you see this, just throw it in the garbage. Now, what we're going to do is put the extra cheese on top, so the cheese is going to be with the pepperoni. So now I'll tell you why we put cheese on top, cause you never know if the sweet onion could be overcooked. So what you want to do is put some of them on the pepperoni, some of them on the sweet onions. So none of them will be overcooked because cheese cannot be overcooked. So now I'll tell you why we put cheese into mini pieces. Because if you just put it in the mini chunks, it will just put in one chunk and one chunk. But if you spread them around, it will go around the whole pizza. Now I want to put on a bit more olive oil because it will taste even more better. Remember, don't put that much. like that. And now we're going to put it in the oven for 400 degrees and 10 minutes, okay? Remember, get a glove on. So making my own pizza always tastes the best. Mamma mia!